In this video we are going to talk about top 7 best ways to invest money. So before starting this video, please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. You can make money in a variety of ways if you have some money to invest. However, some methods are superior to others. The game here is all about speed. We're not talking about buy and hold investments. If you're looking to invest for at least 2 to 5 years, these are excellent options. We're talking about quick money-making ideas. That isn't to say that a long-term strategy isn't necessary. You most certainly do. However, if you're looking to gain traction and generate capital in the short term, the following investment strategies may be able to assist you. Play the stock market. It is not for the faint of heart to engage in day trading. It takes tenacity and perseverance. It necessitates an understanding of the various market forces at work. This isn't a project for the inexperienced. However, if learned properly, it is a way to quickly make a significant amount of money with a relatively small investment in a matter of hours. When it comes to stock market trading, there are also ways to hedge your bets. Whether you're trading the stock market or penny stocks, make sure you set stop-loss limits to limit any potential for significant losses. If you're an experienced trader, you're probably aware that market makers frequently move stocks to exploit our fear of failure or our greed. And they'll frequently drive a stock down to a certain price to amplify that fear and profit from it. This is even more exaggerated when it comes to penny stocks. As a result, you must know what you're doing and be able to analyze market forces in order to make significant profits. Keep an eye on moving averages. When stocks break through 200-day moving averages, there's usually a lot of upside or a lot of downside. Invest in a money-making course. One of the most beneficial investments you can make is in yourself. While you may not be able to calculate a specific return on investment, there is no better way to spend your money. Make an investment in yourself. Make an investment in your education. Adapt and learn. Develop yourself. Find out what you're really interested in. On the internet, there are a plethora of money-making courses. The difficult part is deciding which one is right for you. The possibilities are endless, from ebooks to social media marketing, search engine optimization, and beyond. While there are a lot of money-making gurus on social media, not all courses are created equal. Spend time doing your homework and research to find the best option for you. Trade commodities. Commodities like gold and silver offer an once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to trade, especially when they're trading near the bottom of their 5-year range. Such indicators provide a strong indication of where commodities are likely to go. Fibonacci Queen's Carolyn Borodin says, "Silver is a solid inflation hedge, so I have long-term support and timing in the market." Silver, for example, is a tangible asset that people can hold on to. The price of commodities is determined by economic fundamentals. As supply falls, demand rises, and prices rise as well. Any supply chain disruption has a significant impact on prices. A health scare in livestock, for example, can cause significant price changes as scarcity reigns supreme. Livestock and meat, on the other hand, are only one type of commodity. Other commodities include metals, energy, and agriculture. You can invest through exchanges such as the London Metal Exchange or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, among others. Investing in commodities frequently entails purchasing futures contracts. In other words, it's a pre-arranged agreement to buy a specific quantity at a specific price at a future date. These are leveraged contracts with a large potential upside as well as a large potential downside, so proceed with caution. Trade cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity. While trading them may appear risky, hedging your bets here can help limit the consequences of a poorly timed trade. There are numerous platforms available for trading cryptocurrencies. But before you jump in, do some research. Courses can be found on platforms such as Udemy, Kajabi, and Teachable. Also, learn the ins and outs of trading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and others. While there are over 3,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, only a small number of them are currently relevant. Find an exchange, study the trading patterns, look for long-term moving average breakouts, and start trading. To make the actual trades, you can use exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Sex.io, among many others. Use peer-to-peer lending. These days, peer-to-peer lending is a popular investment option. While investing in a peer-to-peer lending network is unlikely to make you wealthy, it is possible to make some money. What platform do you use for lending? There are numerous options today, but the most popular are LendingClub, Peerform, and Prosper. What is the mechanism behind this? Peer-to-peer lending platforms enable you to lend small amounts of money to businesses or individuals in exchange for an interest rate. You get more money than if you put it in a savings account, and your risk is reduced because the algorithms do a lot of the work for you. Once you've identified the offer, you can dig in and do some research before deciding whether or not to accept it. Your risk will be assessed using a proprietary algorithm that takes into account your employment and credit history, and you'll be able to make an investment decision based on a variety of well-considered data. 2. Invest in options. Trade small and trade often, says Tom Sosnoff of Tastyworks when it comes to options. What type of trade should you make? There are numerous vehicles available, including Forex and stocks. When it comes to options, the best time to invest is around 15 days before corporate earnings are released. Which one should you get? Money is beckoning. The day before the company releases its earnings is the best time to sell those money calls. Because there is so much excitement and anticipation surrounding earnings, the price usually rises, making you a consistent winner. But don't wait for the money to come in. If you're not a seasoned investor, that's a risk you shouldn't take, according to John Carter of Simpler Trading. Flip real estate contracts. Real estate investing may appear to be a long-term investment, but it is not. There are ways to make money quickly by investing as little as $500 to $1,000 in flipping real estate contracts. How do you do it? To begin, learn how the market works using a system like Kent Clothier's REWW. It'll then give you the information and tools you need to find empty houses, distressed sellers, and cash buyers. While most people believe that the fastest way to make money in real estate is to flip traditional homes and do the renovations yourself, the fastest way to make money in real estate is to flip the contract itself. It's called arbitrage. Identify motivated sellers and cash buyers, then bring them together to close the deal. It may seem strange at first, but once you get the hang of it, you can scale out this one single strategy to become a mini mogul in the real estate industry. It works, and some of the world's most successful real estate investors swear by it. So that's it for today's video. What do you think of our list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification before you go. Thanks for watching.